Hi everyone, it's Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. Unfortunately, I'm ill and you wouldn't be able to hear me now. That's why I've recorded my voice separately. Easter is just around the corner. That's why I prepared for you 3 DIYs. If you want to stay up to date, please remember to hit that subscribe button and the bell. Remember about the bell. I always forget about the bell. I don't know why. But you won't forget. I'm watching you. Okay, let's get started.
For this project we will need polystyrene egg. Mine is 16 centimeters. That's the biggest I could find at Hobbycraft. Decorative moss and a hot glue. We won't use tacky glue and the brush as it doesn't work. Let's start with gluing together 2 halves of the egg. You can also secure it by gluing the egg all the way around. I'm using moss from Hobbycraft. There is a lot of dirt inside, like leaves and sticks. This box contains 50 grams of moss. I've used 1.5 box, so it's approximately 75 grams. I didn't want these sticks on my egg. That's why I was trying to remove them as much as I could. Don't try to glue the moss using tacky glue. It won't work. I think the problem is in drying time. It needs about an hour to dry out. Try to fill all the gaps. Press it firmly to make sure that the moss will stick to the egg. That's it, you've made it!
that's it for today. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, thumbs up and subscribe. I will place a few more DIYs somewhere here. I don't know where yet, but well, I will. Feel more than welcome to watch them. And yeah, that's all. See you soon. Happy Easter!